So how can an AI write a poem? Today, we're diving into the secret sauce of large language models.
You and I see three different meanings here. But for a machine, it's just one word. How does it get it? The key, of course, is context. We get it instantly. But how on earth do you teach that to a computer?
At its core, an LLM's main job is shockingly simple. It just predicts the most probable next word. It generates text one token at a time, feeding its own answer back in to keep the chain going.
And the engine driving all of this? It's a game-changing design called the transformer architecture. Okay, I know this looks super complicated, but don't worry. We can break it down into three key stages.
It's a three-step dance. Turn words into numbers, process them for meaning, and then predict what's next.
So in this first stage, every mole gets the same number. It's totally clueless about the context.
Since words are processed at once, the model adds a special positional number to keep track of the order.
Okay, so here's the really cool part. How do these word vectors talk to each other to build context?
The answer is a brilliant mechanism inside the transformer blocks. It's called self-attention.
Think of it like this. Each word creates a query, a key, and a value. It's how they communicate.
So Mal can basically ask, hey, are there any sciencey words near me, to figure out its meaning. This creates an attention pattern, scoring how much each word should pay attention to the others. It's a relevance score. This idea was so revolutionary, the original 2017 paper was literally titled Attention is All You Need. So after many layers of this self-attention process, the model is finally ready to make a prediction. But what's really fascinating is that the model doesn't just output one word. It's not that simple. Instead, it gives a probability score to every single word it knows, thousands of them. Then, a decoding strategy just samples from this list of probabilities to pick the most likely next word. So to sum up, LLMs predict the next word, but they use self-attention to really understand the context first. It's an amazing system for understanding language, which makes you wonder, what will it pay attention to next?